7 of them petitions, and you do not know whether there is enough time. Doctor, many thanks for joining us this evening. We get into just trying to understand some of the things here, and I may ask, Judiciary says that it is still within the 6 months legal window to hear the 107 petitions from the 2026 elections. Constitutionally, is that 6 months deadline realistic with this volume? And what happens if court fails to dispose of them in time?
No, the 6 month deadline is not realistic for the 107 petitions. Why? The Constitution was designed for 10 to 20 petitions, not 107. This is 5 times normal volume. So here is the math. Each petition needs about 30 days minimum. That means 107 multiplied by 30 equals 3,210 court days with 200 judges. That is 16 days per judge. Impossible within 6 months. If court fails, petition lapses after 6 months and elections results stand. So voters lack confirmed representatives. Uganda violates its own constitutional timeline and faces international condemnation. The truth is that we are seeking the judiciary to perform constitutional magic. Reform is not optional. It is constitutional necessity.
Dr. Christopher, we'd love to know one more thing. Looking at the courts, there is quite the backlog, if I should even say. There's a massive case backlog looking at criminal, civil, and land matters. What is the real cost implication, if I were to ask, of the financial justice-wise, of course, when 107 election petitions tie up the judges?
The costs are catastrophic. Uganda's 2.7 billion financially, and justice delayed for ordinary citizens is the challenge. Judges' salaries cost about 1.6 billion. Court logistics cost about 535 million. Witness transports about 231 million. Documentation about 214. The total is about 2.7 billion. This money should go to the healthcare, education, roads, not procedure delays. So the real cost is 107 judges unavailable for 6 months in terms of murder, in terms of rape, in terms of land cases that are stuck up. A farmer can actually wait up to 9 years instead of 3. A widow can actually wait for 10 years instead of 2. So the 2.7 billion is the price of efficiency. The justice cost is counting souls. That is the problem.